As we've been navigating the energy between these two eclipses, the next one approaching us this Saturday, October 28th in the Eastern Hemisphere, we are experiencing this high energy coming in. And a lot of people that I'm talking to are experiencing it in the form of anxiety. And so a lot of times when we're feeling this anxiety and when there's really no evidence of why we are feeling it, we are being upgraded within our bodies. And so in this time, we're being asked to slow down, to relax a little bit more, to rest when we can, so that we can receive and we can integrate and we can also sleep when we need to. This is really important for us to be able to come into this new state of being within ourselves and to also not get overwhelmed by the energy that is coming in at this time. So today I'd like to guide you through a breathwork practice from Kundalini Yoga that is really powerful. It helps to ease anxiety and any kind of overwhelming feelings that we get within the body. It also works to balance the hemispheres of the brain to bring them into coherence. And it allows us to get into a state of mind control, meaning that we have control over our mind's faculties. So what happens typically when we feel an emotion, we feel that feeling within, and then the mind creates a thought that validates that feeling. And then that thought validates another feeling within the body. And it's like this confirmation that happens in a loop. And then it just gets more amplified the more that we move into that process. So with doing this meditation, it takes the mind out of the picture and it starts to strengthen the faculty of the mind to have a better manage and control of the body's response. So we can literally come into that state where our mind is clear and our intuition is actually strengthened through this practice, which will then in turn help us to relax in our bodies because we are now in present moment time and recognizing what is happening through our body is meant to happen, and it's simply an invitation to let it move through us, to feel it, to let it go, and to keep coming back to rest, because rest is really going to assist us at this time. So this meditation is called 1 minute breath, and it is a very simple practice. Yet it is one of the more challenging practices in the breathwork system within Kundalini Yoga. So when we do 1 minute breath, we are breathing in and out through the nose only. It's a 3-part breath where we inhale through the nose for 20 seconds. Then we suspend or hold the breath for 20 seconds. And then we exhale through the nose for 20 seconds. So everyone will be different with where their lung capacity is, where their breath pattern is during the day. So whenever you come to this video, just notice where you're at in your body and how you feel. And the way to start this practice is to make sure that the inhale and the hold and the exhale are all of equal length. So that means that if you start counting out your breath and you get to 5 seconds for your inhale, that means you're going to hold your breath for 5 seconds and then exhale your breath for 5 seconds. And then gradually, as you build the capacity of your breath, you will start to lengthen the timing. So within this 3-minute practice that we do, you may lengthen it every time that you come into another full round of the 3-part breath. And just allow yourself to work with your body, how you feel in this moment, where you're at in your own breath. And what we will do before we begin the meditation is review the breath within the body and how we can get the most expansive and relaxed state of being as we breathe, so that we can take the breath in and out very softly, gently, slowly, incrementally, and allow ourselves to slowly fill the breath up in the body and then slowly release the breath out of the body. And then in between, we will have that hold. So for now, we'll focus on the inhale and the exhale. So I invite you to come into a comfortable seated position. Either sit on the floor on a cushion or in a chair with your feet uncrossed and flat on the floor. Now, what we will do first is focus on letting the air go and exhaling out. What happens when we exhale is the belly will come in and the navel will come in towards the spine. Then as we inhale, we expand the belly and around the sides of the waist, and the diaphragm will drop down. And then as we exhale, the diaphragm comes back up and everything starts to come back in very gently, very slowly, so that the belly relaxes in. So if you haven't joined already, inhale, expand your belly out and to the sides. Let the diaphragm release down. Exhale, draw the belly in, the navel comes in, and the diaphragm comes back up. As you inhale, breathe in through the nose, feel the breath move down and out. And as you exhale, feel the breath come in and up within your body. Again, inhale, expand your belly. Forward, out to the sides, all the way around your back. As you exhale, relax, draw your belly in, let everything come in, and the navel comes in at the very end. Do a couple more. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more. Inhale, expand, and exhale. Okay, so now we move into this 1 minute breath. And I invite you to close your eyes and allow the gaze to be down to the tip of the nose, and then open the eyelids 1/10. So just allow a slit of light to come through. Your eyes down and in, gently focus to the tip of the nose. Rest your palms in your lap, faced upward. You can place your palms out slightly towards the knees. So we open the capacity within our chest. We move into this 1 minute breath now. So first exhale, let your breath out completely. Begin to count your inhale as you breathe in through the nose, expand your belly out to the sides and forward. And then suspend your breath for the same amount of counts. And then exhale through your nose for the same count as you relax your belly in and begin again. So count your breath out, equal inhale, equal hold, equal exhale. Continue to slow your breath down incrementally. And as you gain capacity within your lungs, start to lengthen your inhale, your hold, and your exhale, always keeping it at equal length. And the key is to really make sure you let out the entire exhale so that you can begin again and deepen your breath. Taking it in and out slowly, softly, and gently. And staying very relaxed as you hold the breath. Bring your full awareness and attention to your breath. Eye gaze remains focused at the tip of your nose. And when you complete your next cycle of breath, come back to a natural breath pattern. In and out through your nose. Close your eyes and notice how you feel. Inhale. Exhale. Very softly and gently come back into the space and open your eyes. So I'd love to hear from you, how you feel after this practice. If you have any questions, please comment below. And remember to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I will be back very soon with more. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you soon.